Hey everybody, I had a friend of mine ask how to transfer their pictures from their iPhone onto their personal computer. So I figured instead of writing out an explanation, I would just do a quick YouTube video on it. So far, all I've done is plug the USB charger for the iPhone into the computer and hooked my phone into the other end of the charger. Now, as soon as I did that, my iTunes went crazy. I went ahead and X'd out of all that because I don't need that to grab my pictures here. And the other thing I had to do on my phone was I had to hit Trust Computer, and it says allow or don't allow. So you hit allow, and then from there you have to put in your passcode. Once you do that, your computer should detect your iPhone. Now, if I'm on Windows 10, all I need to do is come down to this little manila folder here. I left click that one time. It pulls up the File Explorer window, and if we look down through here, this PC may be closed, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to click this again. I'm going to look down through here, and I see Dustin's iPhone. That'd be my iPhone. So I'm going to left click that one time. Then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to double click this. This is my DCIM folder. I could copy this whole folder, but I'm going to drill down just a little bit just to show you here. So I do that, and I have 102 Apple, and I double click that. And now I've got, we can see one picture in the folder. And I was going to double click that and just show you here one picture. Fun little game if you want to try it. Shameless plug over. Okay, now I'm going to back up just by pushing back, and then all I'm going to do is right click and copy. Then I'm going to come over to the desktop, right click and paste, and you can look in the top right, here is my picture folder. Now I can move this anywhere on my computer. Once I get it to here, it'll take a little longer for you more than likely to transfer yours over, as you'll probably have more than one picture there. But that is literally all we need to do to move our pictures from our iPhone to our desktop if we're using Windows 10. If you're using Windows 7, you're going to do something very similar. Just come down to the bottom left, you'll see the little Windows logo here. Click that, and then up here you'll see a My Computer. Let me see if I can type that in here real quick. My Computer, which is changed to this PC on Windows 10. So type in My Computer, click that, and then follow the exact same steps. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.